Hi, I'm Cindy Meyer with Seabolt Brokers selling a coastal lifestyle. Today I'm at Causton Bluff, just off the intracoastal waterway and minutes from the Historic District of Savannah, Georgia. I want to introduce you to one of our new listings. Come on inside with me and take a look at this great house. Located in the Cottages at Causton Bluff, 4 Sassafras Trail is one of the few freestanding homes in the community. This 4-bedroom, 3-bath, low-maintenance home sits on a large lot of about 9,000 square feet and was updated in 2016. The open living area features a large room with a vaulted ceiling, fireplace flanked with bookcases on each side, Causton Bluff amenities include gated security, a pool and lanai overlooking the private marina and the intracoastal waterway. If you've been looking for a detached low-maintenance home in a private community conveniently located minutes away from historic Savannah, the islands in the Truman Parkway, this is it. Once again, I'm Cindy Meyer with Seabolt Brokers selling a coastal lifestyle. If you, your friends, your family, anyone you know is interested in coastal Georgia real estate, please give me a call, 912-313-4799.